Oh boy! Well, I'm riding the DRZ 400 strictly off-road for right now. Oh, sorry, 400 SM off-road for right now because I broke my blinker. Well, actually, the other one was already broke, but then the other side broke. So then both sides were broken, and I just cut them off because one of them was completely useless. The other one was just semi-broken. Oh, f***ing bugs. This part's always fun. So yeah, I can't really ride it on road right now. I ordered some flush mount blinkers, so then hopefully it doesn't happen again. That'd be nice. Whoa! Supermoto tires are cool. So with all the recent talks with all the moto vloggers and their exhaust pipes, I'm just gonna go right out and say it right now that I claim exhaust superiority. Why? Because I can. The exhaust on my DRZ is the Yoshimura full system with the RS3 muffler. And it is painfully loud. The helmet microphone really doesn't do it any justice. So, I'll set my GoPro up on a tripod. You guys can hear it. But yeah, I'm riding around on my little track that I made. I don't even necessarily call it a track. There's really no jumps or anything yet other than this one. Now it kind of sucks. It needs a landing really bad, so I could really fly off of it. But for the time being, you're just gonna have to do. Yeah, I'm riding in shorts, shoes, and short sleeves. Why? Because I really don't care. And my house is literally right there, so if I crash and like break a leg or something, I can just crawl up there. Alright, so grab my tripod. So now I'm going to set the GoPro up somewhere. I don't know where exactly, but I'll go set it up. This part sucks. I'll set it up. Let's see. Could do. Oh, god damn it! Somewhere over here. I'll do that. So yeah, you can see my exhaust does sound pretty damn good. Hats off to you, Yoshimura. You know how to make a good but expensive exhaust. You know, it's actually pretty funny how the exhaust system on my bike costs more than an exhaust system for my car. I'm not 100% sure how or why that works like that. I don't know. Maybe Yoshimura knows something that I don't. Who knows? Yeah, I claim exhaust superiority for obvious reasons. Oh, sweet, I'm out of freaking gas. How convenient. Oh, wait a minute. Forgot about this nifty little trick. Yeah, Loudon Dave. Fun fact, these bikes do have a reserve. Yeah, who would have thought? They put reserves on dirt bikes. I never knew that. Yeah, if you think I have exhaust superiority, you should leave a comment on why I have exhaust superiority. I mean, it's pretty obvious why I do, and this is super, super slippery right over here, so I almost died a little bit ago. Yeah, leave a comment on why my exhaust is far superior to anyone else's. But if you like the video, give it a like. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already.